What? You are going to get married? Amazing. Chandan, are you out of your mind or what? It means Rahul was right. He always says that daddy, Chandan is your stepson. One day or other, he will betray you. But I never gave a toss about it. Do you know why? Because I love you. And I have always loved you more than him. But you have proven me wrong. You have not only broken my heart, but also showed disrespect to me. Papa, you never made me feel that I am your stepson. You always showered your love upon me more than your own son. Papa, how can I even think to hurt you? I love you a lot, Papa. But Papa, I love that girl to the moon and back. Please, Papa, I request you. Once meet her, Papa. I'm sure she will win your heart, Papa. Please, Papa. Never, never ever. I will never accept her. I just want you to marry my friend's daughter. And that's it. But Papa, I'm damn sure that she will turn out to be a good daughter-in-law. And she will always respect you, Papa. And she will be very good for this house. What do you think? You are mature enough to make better decisions than me? Now you will teach your father what would be good or bad for this family? Listen, from now onwards, you and your would-be wife can never come to this house. You can never step to this house. Get out right now!
What happened? Again you are missing Papa?
Yeah. Khushbu, I really want to live with my Papa. I really miss him a lot. I wish he could be with us.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. One day he will understand you and we will live together happily.
I hope so. What are you doing?
I'm just keeping the record of monthly expenditure.
So why are you writing on a notebook? It's a digital era. Why don't you write this in a mobile phone using Money Entry app?
Money entry?
Yes, I can show you. See, this is Money Entry app. You can keep the record of all your expenses and income in this app. If you buy something, you can click on expenses and write whatever you have purchased. And if you have earned from somewhere, you can click on income and write whatever you have earned. See, suppose you have purchased vegetables. Click on expenses and here you can find so many categories. As you can see, vegetables, click on vegetables, and if you have spent suppose 50 rupees, just write 50 rupees and press this OK button. By this way, you can keep the record of all the expenditure and income. Isn't it nice app?
It's very nice app. I'm just going to download this app.
So download. I think somebody's at the door.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to open the door. Meanwhile, you download this app.
Yeah.
Papa? Why, sir? Papa? What are you doing? Papa, come inside, Papa. Please come inside. No, Chandan. I'm all right here. You got married and settled in your life and left us in this pathetic condition. What are you saying, Papa? Papa, I never left you. Papa, I tried to convince you to allow me to get married. But you discarded me from the house, Papa. Just because Rahul had poisoned your mind against me. There is no point talking about that past. Forget about that. You be happy in your life. And let us be the way we are in our life. Okay, Papa. Leave these all the things, Papa. Let bygone be bygone. Please come inside, Papa. Please come inside. No, Chandan. Actually, I have to go to several houses to deliver the cylinders. You just give me the money. Let me go. Papa, why are you doing this? Why have you taken this job? Beta, after you left us, after that I lost my job. And in order to repay the debt which I had taken for your study, I had to do this work. And I'm happy. I will repay all the loan. But Papa, I always send money to Rahul to repay all the loan. and to run the family. What? You used to send money to Rahul, but Rahul did not tell me about it. And I did not get any money. Papa, you just come inside. I will talk to Rahul. Please, Papa, come inside. Papa, please come inside. I will just talk to Rahul. Come, Papa. Please have a seat, Papa. Please have a seat. I'm just going to make a call to Rahul right now. Hello, Rahul. Chandan here, your brother. Yes, speak up. Rahul, tell me one thing. I have been sending you money for so many years so that Papa may not have to work. And you did not give even a single penny to Papa. Instead of you should go to office and work, you made Papa work. Have you gone insane? Didn't you feel shy? You were responsible for everything, okay? You never supported me. Did you support me? Tell me. You left me in the lurch. And you are saying this. That's why I had to do this. How do you want me to support you? If I had given you money to splurge on your alcohol, I would have been very good brother. You wanted me to support you in this way? Why do you think I am responsible? I left the house, but I did not go along with your fate. If you wanted, you could have done something. But you just resorted to alcohol. Don't give this lecture, okay? Don't try to show that you care for me. I know that no one is mine except this bottle. Then go to hell and be with the alcohol. Now Papa will live with me and we will be happy throughout the life. Keep that old man to you. I don't care anything. Shut your bloody mouth and get lost. Now Papa will live with me. Keep that old man to you. I don't care anything. And go to hell. See. I'm sorry, Chandan. I'm really sorry. I always misunderstood you. Despite the fact that I discarded you from my house, you kept on supporting me by sending money every month on regular basis. I could not understand you. The duty which should have been fulfilled by my own son has been really performed by you. I'm sorry, beta. Papa, don't say this, Papa. Papa, you are my Papa. Please, don't say this. You know, Papa, I really want to live with you. When you were not with me, Papa, I always missed you. I always missed you, Papa. Papa, I'm very happy. I'm very happy that you are with me, Papa. And I'm very excited that I will live with you. Okay. We will surely live together happily. Papa, wait a minute. I'm just coming. Khushbu, today I'm very happy. Really very happy. You were absolutely right. That Daddy would come back. He would understand us. And see, Papa has come back. Now we will live together.
Yeah.
I'm very happy. I had always dreamed of living with my father. Finally, he has come back. Yes. So guys, I believe you must have liked this video. And one more thing guys, in order to keep the record of your all the expenses and income, please download Money Entry app and subscribe this channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon. Thank you guys.